Hello my fellow insurables, I'm Kelli Arrowsmith with Arrow Final Expense, and today we're going to go over the top 4 ways to get money out of your life insurance policy while you're still alive. And stick with me till the end when I go over a 5th way that may surprise you. Now you may not know this, but any life insurance policy that you can get money out of while you're still living has cash value. And any policy that does have cash value is going to have higher premiums than a policy that does not. And usually a policy that does include cash value will be permanent life insurance, such as whole life or universal life. Any policy that builds cash value puts a portion of each premium paid into the cash value, which can then be accessed in a variety of ways after a period of time. Typically a few years, because building the cash value in your life insurance policy is similar to growing a savings account. So once you have built up enough cash value and you want to use it, and these are in no particular order, number 1, you can make a withdrawal. If you withdraw money from your policy, it does not get paid back, but this amount of money will be deducted from the death benefit when you die. Number 2, you can borrow against the cash value in your policy. And this is a great way to get a loan because you won't have to go through a credit check the way you would at a bank. But as with any other loan, you're required to pay it back plus interest. If you were to die before you paid back the loan, any amount that you still owed would be deducted from the death benefit. Now, as I have talked about before, a friend of mine's mom had a life insurance policy and she either withdrew some money or took out a loan. I'm not sure which one, because she needed a roof replaced on her house. And when she did pass away, my friend and his sister obviously received the death benefit, but they received it minus the amount that she had taken out of the policy. And if you were to borrow or take out a loan on the policy, you can use that money to do whatever you want. Something else to note, the cash value is only available while you, the policyholder, are still living. It is not included in the death benefit when you pass away. Now this brings us to the 3rd way you can access your policy's cash value. You can use it to pay your policy's premiums. Let's say you were ill or injured and you're not able to pay your premiums, then you can use your policy's cash value to pay those premiums so that your policy does not lapse. Because this is the time when you'll really be grateful that you do have that coverage. Now my 4th tip, hey, surrender the policy and pull out all the cash value. If you surrender your policy, you'll get all the cash value inside minus any fees or unpaid loans, but you will essentially be canceling the policy and you'll no longer have life insurance coverage. I might add, this isn't always the best option, but it really depends on your circumstances. Okay, here we have it. This is my 5th tip for how to get money out of your life insurance policy, and I will say it is a unique one. You can sell your life insurance policy and the rights to your death benefit. Did that one surprise you? Well, it's grown in popularity over the last few decades. Selling your life insurance policy to a third party is what's known as a life settlement. The policy owner works with a broker who helps find a buyer. The buyer would then pay the policyholder a lump sum. The buyer will continue to pay the premiums on the policy and will receive the death benefit when the original policy holder dies. If you do sell your life insurance policy, you may receive more than the cash surrender value in the policy, but you'll probably receive less than the death benefit. If you're trying to sell your life insurance policy, usually brokers will require that you are over 65 and that the policy have a death benefit of at least $100,000. There are more variables involved in selling a life insurance policy, and I will say this is probably not the best option for most people. So there we have it. Those are my 5 tips for how to get money out of your life insurance policy while you are still alive. If you guys have any questions about today's topic, another life insurance topic, or you want me to go over something specific, let me know down in the comments. And if you want to continue to get the best tips, facts, and honest information about life insurance, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.